It's time for another shaving showdown. Today's contestants, a Gillette Mach3 versus an Assured 6-bladed disposable razor that we got at the dollar store for a 2-pack. Who's going to be the winner? Let's find out. Hey guys, it's Josh with No Dad No Problem, featuring how-tos, interviews, and reviews you can use. So in today's shaving showdown, we're going to be using my trusty Gillette Mach3 razor with a brand new cartridge installed versus a disposable 6-bladed razor from Assured, which I picked up at Dollar General for $1 for this 2-pack. So 50 cents a razor versus about $4 per cartridge, which is going to give us the closer shave. As always, I'll be shaving with my trusty Barbasol Original Shave Cream. These are not paid product endorsements. This is just what I use. And for the judging, we'll have the same impartial judges before. My beautiful bride, who will probably want to stay off camera, we'll see her hands. She'll rub my face. She'll tell me which side has the smoother shave. So let's get to the shaving. All right, guys, so I've already wet down my face. We're going to start with the right-hand side, in which we're going to use the 6-bladed disposable razors from the company's called Assured that I got for $1. So I'm going to apply the shaving cream to the right side of my face. I'll let it sit for 3 minutes, and then we'll get to the shaving. All right, guys, 3 minutes has passed, so the shaving cream should have done its job in softening and moisturizing, hopefully making this a good, smooth shave. Wetting the blade a little bit to get it going, and let's see how this goes. All right, so overall, I'm actually pretty impressed with how this one shaved. Couple of little minor nicks, nothing too bad. It went through a few days of beard pretty well. Minor clogging issues on the blade that I was not hoping for, but these things happen. All that's left to do now is to clean up my face, apply the shaving cream on the other side, wait the 3 minutes, and then shave with Gillette Mach3, and then take it to the judge to find out who's the winner. All right, guys, 3 minutes has passed. It's time to get the shave on with the Gillette Mach3, and so here we go. Okay, so just from a couple general impression sides, where the disposable razor, I got nicked a couple times here and there. I don't have any nicks on the Gillette side. The Gillette also feels like just a better quality. The handle itself, it's weighted heavier because it's made of metal and not cheap plastic. So I would say that from my shaving perspective, I much more enjoyed the Gillette. It may have taken a couple of extra strokes due to having half of the number of blades, but I think the extra strokes are worth it from the shaving comfort and from the not having the nicks. But let's go get cleaned up, then we'll take this to the judge and we'll find out for sure. So we're up in my kitchen, the $1 million kitchen in the $20 million house. I got a little guy tugging on my leg, but I've got my beautiful bride who's going to loan me one of her, well, both of her hands to feel the sides of my face. So you can touch this side first. Okay, now the other side. Okay.
It feels the same to me.
Feels the same? No, yeah. One side is softer than the other?
No.
Okay. So it's a tie, huh? Okay, so the two razors that were used, this side was a Gillette Mach3, and then this side was a 6-bladed disposable razor from the dollar store.
Oh.
So a tie.
Oh.
All right, guys, so I heard it from the boss. She thinks it's a tie as far as the smoothness. But I will say, as far as the comfort of the grip, as well as avoiding nicks, I would have to give the edge to the Gillette Mach3 razor. So I'm calling that the winner for this round. It'll move on to the second round when we get there. If this video has helped you in any way, please consider leaving us a like. Comment below on any videos you'd like to see us make. We love to make videos for our fans. Subscribing and ringing the bell for notification helps our channel grow, sends YouTube the message that we are making content that people want to consume. Other than that, I appreciate every one of you giving your time. Your time is a valuable, valuable asset, and you've chosen to share that asset with us, and we are appreciative of that. Be well, be blessed, be loved, and have the best day ever.